Are you ready to unlock a treasure trove of health benefits hidden in a simple cup of tea? Imagine savoring a warm, aromatic beverage that not only delights your senses, but also invigorates your body and mind. Today, I'm about to reveal an ancient secret that will revolutionize your daily routine and elevate your well-being to new heights. Get ready to embark on a journey through centuries of wisdom and discover the top 10 reasons why you should be drinking clove tea every single day. To our enchanting exploration of the magical elixir known as clove tea. For centuries, this exquisite spice has been treasured not just for its culinary use, but for its powerful medicinal properties too. Passed down through generations, the wisdom of clove tea's therapeutic effects has stood the test of time and is now gaining recognition in the modern world. So whether you're an avid tea drinker or someone looking to enhance their well-being, you're in for a treat. In this video, we will dive deep into the 10 remarkable reasons why incorporating clove tea into your daily routine could be a game-changer for your health. From its potent antioxidant properties to its ability to soothe digestive woes, prepare to be amazed by the endless benefits that this humble spice has to offer. So grab your favorite mug, steep yourself in knowledge, and let's uncover the wonders of clove tea together. But before we move on, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss any of our latest videos. Let's get started. The magic of clove tea. Clove tea, a blend made from dried clove buds, has been cherished for centuries for its aromatic and therapeutic properties. These little spice powerhouses contain vital nutrients such as manganese, vitamin K, and dietary fiber, making it a remarkable addition to your daily wellness routine. Antioxidant superstar. Reason number 1 to sip on clove tea daily: its potent antioxidant content. Cloves are packed with antioxidants that combat free radicals, supporting your body's natural defense against oxidative stress and promoting overall well-being. Boosting your immune system. Clove tea's immune-boosting abilities. With a wealth of vitamins and minerals, this brew strengthens your immune system, helping you ward off common illnesses and stay resilient year-round. Aiding digestion. Clove tea is a fantastic aid for digestion. It helps alleviate indigestion, bloating, and gas, ensuring your tummy stays happy and comfortable after every meal. Natural pain relief. Clove tea's natural pain relief properties. Cloves have analgesic qualities, making this herbal concoction an excellent choice for soothing headaches, toothaches, and muscle pains. Anti-inflammatory wonder. Clove tea's anti-inflammatory prowess. Say goodbye to inflammation-related discomfort as cloves help reduce inflammation, promoting a more comfortable and active lifestyle. Oral health champion. Clove tea is an oral health champion. With its antibacterial properties, this tea helps combat bad breath, gum issues, and dental infections, keeping your smile bright and healthy. Stress reduction and relaxation. Clove tea's calming effects. Sipping on this delightful brew helps reduce stress and anxiety, providing a moment of relaxation and tranquility amidst our hectic lives. Weight management support. Clove tea is a weight management support. By boosting metabolism and aiding digestion, this tea assists in maintaining a healthy weight when incorporated into a balanced lifestyle. A journey to flavorful bliss. Clove tea's tantalizing flavor. This aromatic elixir offers a captivating taste that will delight your senses and keep you coming back for more, making it a wonderful alternative to sugary drinks. Regulated blood sugar levels. Clove tea aids in managing blood sugar levels, making it a beneficial addition for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Its compounds improve insulin sensitivity and help maintain a balanced blood sugar response. Improved circulation. Clove tea contains compounds that improve blood circulation, leading to better oxygen and nutrient delivery to your organs and tissues. This enhanced circulation can contribute to improved energy levels and overall vitality. With these additional reasons, you'll find even more motivation to incorporate this delightful brew into your daily routine for a healthier and happier life. The Daily Dose. Now that we've uncovered 10 compelling reasons to embrace clove tea, let's talk about how much you should drink per day. Moderation is key, and experts recommend consuming no more than 2 cups of clove tea daily to enjoy its benefits without overdoing it. Brewing clove tea at home. Interested in brewing this enchanting tea at home? Here's a simple method to prepare your very own cup of clove tea. Step 1. Bring water to a boil. Step 2. Add a teaspoon of dried clove buds for every 8 ounces of water. Step 3. Let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the flavors to infuse. Step 4. Strain the tea into your favorite cup. Step 5. Optionally, add a touch of honey or lemon for added sweetness and zest. Are there any potential side effects of clove tea? While clove tea offers numerous health benefits, it's essential to be aware of potential side effects and exercise moderation in consumption. Here are some side effects and considerations to keep in mind. 1. Allergic reactions. Some individuals may be allergic to cloves or related plants like ragweed, leading to allergic reactions such as itching, swelling, or difficulty breathing. If you have a known allergy to spices or botanicals, consult a healthcare professional before consuming clove tea. 2. Gastrointestinal distress. Clove tea, when consumed in excess, can irritate the gastrointestinal tract and lead to nausea, vomiting, or diarrhea. It's important to adhere to moderate consumption levels to avoid these issues. 3. Blood thinning effects. Cloves contain eugenol, a compound with mild blood thinning properties. While this can be beneficial for circulation, individuals taking blood-thinning medications should consult their healthcare provider before consuming large amounts of clove tea to prevent potential interactions. 4. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should use caution when consuming clove tea. Excessive consumption may be harmful during pregnancy, and there is limited research on the effects of clove tea while breastfeeding. 5. Interaction with medications. Cloves may interact with certain medications, including anticoagulants, anti-diabetic drugs, and antihypertensive medications. If you are on any medications, consult your healthcare professional before regularly consuming clove tea. 6. Liver and kidney concerns. Cloves contain compounds that, in large quantities, could potentially harm the liver and kidneys. Those with liver or kidney conditions should be cautious and seek medical advice before regularly consuming clove tea. 7. Skin sensitivity. Applying clove oil or tea directly to the skin can cause irritation or allergic reactions in some individuals. It's advisable to perform a patch test before topical application. To ensure the safe consumption of clove tea, it's essential to enjoy it in moderation and consult a healthcare professional, especially if you have any existing medical conditions or are taking medications. Always prioritize your individual health needs and consider possible side effects before incorporating any new herbal remedy into your daily routine. And there you have it, tea enthusiasts. 10 reasons to drink clove tea every day. From its antioxidant powers to its stress-reducing effects, this spice-infused elixir is truly a treasure for your health and well-being. So why wait? Make clove tea a delightful part of your daily routine, and let its magic enrich your life in more ways than one. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow tea aficionados. Until next time, keep sipping and stay healthy.